My name is Arthur. In this video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can make money with crypto arbitrage. And if you don't know what crypto arbitrage is, well, with crypto arbitrage, you simply buy cryptocurrencies from one exchange at a lower price and then sell it to another exchange at higher price. And this is exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. We're going to be buying cryptocurrencies from an exchange at a lower price. It can be Binance right here. And if you don't have an account to Binance, the link is in the description below as well. And then we're going to be selling these cryptocurrencies on VALR at higher price. And I'm going to show you step by step how to do this and how exactly we're going to make money with crypto arbitrage in this video. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to do is to change your currency right here. You're simply going to go to this tab right here and then change your currency right there. So I'm sure you're gonna find your currency right here because you have a bunch of currencies. But other than that, once you do that, you can see that my price is in South African rands because I'm in South Africa right now. That's why I'm using rands. All right, so if you search the price of Solana right here on Binance, you can see that Solana is being sold at 371 rand in South African rand right now. And then if you go to VALR Crypto exchange right here, you can see that Solana is being sold at 382 rand. Okay, so the difference right here is your profit. So meaning that you're going to be buying Solana from Binance at a lower price right here and then sell to VALR Crypto exchange at higher price, and then you're going to be making profits of at least 10 rand. All right, so 10 rand is your profit right here from each and every trade that you take. So guys, keep in mind that these crypto arbitrage opportunities don't really last for long. That's why you need to join the Alpha group. In Alpha group, you're gonna get these arbitrage opportunities in real time each and every day. So that's why you need to join the Alpha group, and the link to Alpha group is gonna be in the description below. So now I'm gonna take a live trade showing you how exactly it's done and how exactly we're going to make money from this arbitrage opportunity. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and click where it's written Solana like this, and then it's gonna take me to spot trading dashboard. Okay, so right now this is Binance spot trading, and you can see I have some USDT right here. So right now I'm willing to spend at least 4,000 for this arbitrage opportunity, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead to Google and type USD to ZAR. Okay, so I want to spend 4,000. I'm just going to go ahead and type 4,000 like this, meaning that we have to spend at least 210 US dollars. All right, so this is 210 is equivalent to 4,000 in South African rand right now as I'm recording this video. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and buy Solana with 210. Okay, yeah, I'm going to use market order 210 and click buy. So right now we have Solana with 210 US dollars. All right, so we're gonna send this Solana to VALR Crypto exchange, and then we're gonna sell right here at higher price, and you're gonna see how much profit we're gonna make since this Solana that we have on our wallet is worth 4,000 rand. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna go ahead and send this Solana 10 Solana right here to VALR Crypto exchange and then sell it there at higher price, and you're gonna see how much profit we're gonna make from this arbitrage opportunity. So guys, right now we're about to withdraw Solana that we bought from Binance. So we're gonna send it to VALR Crypto exchange right here and sell at higher price. So I'm just gonna go ahead and deposit to VALR Crypto exchange. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and click what's written deposit like that. Okay, so this is Solana address as you can see. So I'm just gonna go ahead and copy it and go to Binance and put your address right here. As you can see right here, it says wallet address automatically matched to a corresponding network. So we are good right there. You don't need to change anything. But other than that, simply gonna go ahead and click max like this and withdraw. And guys, keep it in mind that this Solana is worth 4,000 rand, and you're gonna see how much we make after sending it to VALR Crypto exchange. Take this game to another level, then I recommend you guys to check out heavycryptouniversity.online, and this is a place where you can learn pretty much anything about crypto trading and crypto arbitrage. So this is the most profitable course online so far. As you can see, a lot of people have been visiting it, so make sure you check it out. And if you want to get signals in real time, I recommend you guys to check out Cobra Arbitrage Scanner. So this is a scanner that will give you signals 24/7, unlimited signals, so you can take advantage of this crypto arbitrage. So guys, to withdraw from Binance to VALR doesn't really take time. It takes less than 2 minutes. So if I refresh this page, you're gonna see that we have successfully deposited our funds to VALR Crypto exchange. To withdraw from Binance to VALR doesn't take time. It will take you less than 2 minutes. So right here you can see that we have made a profit of at least 81 rand, okay, in South African rand. So right here all you have to do is to go where it's written exchange like this, and then sell this Solana to South African rand, and after that you withdraw to your bank and then deposit to Binance. And to deposit to Binance doesn't really take time, guys. I mean, if you use bank transfer, it will take less than 5 minutes if you're living in South Africa. So you're gonna do a fast deposit right here. If you're living in South Africa, as you can see, this South African rand. So you're gonna click like this, and so you can see that you're not gonna pay any fee, and it's actually fast. So you're gonna go ahead and click continue, and then link your bank account and stuff like that. So you're not gonna spend a lot of time if you want to deposit money to your Binance account, because you're simply gonna have to link your bank account, and it's gonna take less than 5 minutes to deposit that money to your Binance account, and then repeat the process. But other than that, this is it. My name is Arthur. I just wanted to show you how exactly you can make money with crypto arbitrage in South Africa and all other countries as well. So make sure to subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm, and don't forget to join the Alpha group, because that's where you're gonna get a lot of arbitrage opportunities. So this is, my name is Arthur, therefore I'll send you the video. Love and peace, my friends.